Are you a man over 50? Do you feel more tired than you used to? Maybe your muscles don't feel as strong. Perhaps your get up and go has got up and gone. Your energy levels might seem to drop daily. That spark, that drive, it feels dimmer now. This is a common story I hear. So many men experience this same feeling. This feeling of slowing down is often linked to changes in your body. Testosterone, a key hormone for men, can decline. When testosterone goes down, vitality can too. You might notice less interest in things you once loved. Even your mood can be affected by this change. It can feel like you are not yourself anymore. But this is not the end of your story. Many men think this is just part of getting older. They believe that losing energy is simply fate. Society sometimes tells us this is normal. But what if that is not the whole truth? What if there is something you can do, something natural to help you feel strong again? Let's explore how you can feel like yourself again. Imagine starting your day with a simple ritual, a ritual that could change how you feel. Just one spoonful a day is all it takes. This spoonful is packed with natural goodness. It is designed specifically for men like you. Men who want to reclaim their youthful energy. This is not a magic pill from a lab, it is a blend of powerful, natural ingredients. I want to introduce you to this special blend. Let's call it the Man Alive Daily Spoonful. This blend was carefully developed by Dr. William Harris. Dr. Harris is a leading expert in natural men's health. He has spent years researching these ingredients. His goal was to find a natural way to help men boost their vitality, and he found it in this powerful combination. The Man Alive Daily Spoonful contains 7 key ingredients. These are not strange chemicals with long names, they are gifts from nature used for centuries. You will find maca root for energy and drive, ginger and turmeric to fight inflammation, cinnamon to help with your body's sugar balance, rich cocoa for heart health and good mood, creatine for muscle power, and ashwagandha for stress, so you can feel stronger, more energetic, and ready to take on your day, every day. Let's look closely at the first 3 heroes. These are maca, ginger, and turmeric. Maca root is a true ancient wonder. It comes from high in the Andes Mountains. Warriors used it for strength and stamina. Maca is known to help with energy levels. It can also support a healthy libido, and it helps balance your body's hormones naturally. Next up is ginger, a spice you may know. Ginger is famous for settling the stomach, but its benefits go much further than that. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. This means it helps calm irritation in your body. This can free up energy for other things. Good digestion helped by ginger is key. It helps you absorb all the good nutrients. Then we have turmeric, the golden spice. The main active component is called curcumin. Curcumin is celebrated for its amazing properties. It is another strong anti-inflammatory ingredient. This can help with joint comfort and mobility. Together, these first 3 ingredients work hard to lay the foundation for revitalization. Now let's talk about the next amazing ingredients. Cinnamon is more than just a tasty spice. It plays a vital role in this blend. Cinnamon helps your body manage blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar means stable energy. No more sharp energy crashes in the afternoon. This helps you maintain consistent vitality. It's a simple way to feel more balanced. Then there is cocoa, but not the sugary kind. We're talking about raw, unprocessed cocoa. This cocoa is rich in beneficial flavonols. These compounds are great for your heart. They help improve blood flow throughout your body. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients. These reach your muscles and your brain. Cocoa can also lift your mood naturally. Creatine is a very well-known supporter. It is especially known for muscle health. Creatine helps your muscles produce energy quickly. This is important for strength and power. Finally, we have ashwagandha, an ancient herb. It is an adaptogen, which means it helps your body adapt to stress. This completes the powerful Man Alive blend. Many men believe their low energy is just age. They think, I am over 50, so this is normal, but I am here to tell you something important. Age is a factor, yes, but not the only one. It is often not the main reason you feel tired. There is something else going on inside, something that we can actually address. So, do not just blame the number of your years. The real culprit is often a lack of support. I mean a lack of key biological support. Our modern diets sometimes miss vital nutrients. Even if you try to eat healthy, gaps can occur. Our bodies need specific building blocks for energy, for hormones, for strength. If these are missing, your body cannot perform. It's like a car running on low-quality fuel. This lack of key support creates a deficit. Your body's systems may not have what they need, Systems that produce energy can slow down, hormone production can become less efficient, muscle repair and growth can be affected too. The great news is we can change this by providing these essential natural compounds. You can feel a real difference no matter your age. Getting started with the Man Alive blend is easy. First, you will need to gather your ingredients. Look for high-quality, pure powders. You want maca root powder, ground ginger, also ground turmeric and ground cinnamon. Find unsweetened cocoa powder, pure creatine monohydrate, and finally, ashwagandha root powder. Quality matters for the best results, always. Mixing the blend is simple to do at home. You can create a batch to last for a while. A good starting point is to use equal parts. For example, 1 tablespoon of each powder. Mix them thoroughly in a clean, dry jar. Ensure the blend is well combined and smooth. Store it in an airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dark place for freshness. Now, for your daily ritual, it is very easy. Take 1 heaping teaspoon of the blend each day. You can mix it into a glass of water. Some men prefer it in a morning smoothie. Others stir it into yogurt or oatmeal. The key is consistency. Take it every day. This allows the ingredients to work their magic. Dr. William Harris offers a key piece of advice. He has seen many men try to boost vitality, and he has seen common mistakes they make. His wisdom can help you get lasting results. It is about understanding how your body works, and how these natural ingredients support it. This insight is truly golden for your health. Listen closely to this important tip from him. The most common mistake Dr. Harris sees is this. Men often look for a single magic bullet. They might try just 1 testosterone pill, or they focus only on synthetic boosters. These can sometimes offer a quick, temporary lift, but they often fail in the long run. Why is this? Because they miss the foundation. They do not support the whole body system. Dr. Harris explains that natural support is different. It is about nourishing your entire body. The Man Alive blend works holistically. It provides broad support for your biology. It helps your body create its own balance. It addresses factors like inflammation and stress. These can drain your energy and hormones. True vitality comes from overall wellness. So, Dr. Harris's golden rule is this: support your body comprehensively and naturally. Do not just chase a single hormone number. Instead, build a strong foundation for health.